attempted to study Earth food storage methods. I approached what I thought was a harmless refrigeration unit. It greeted me, by name. The interface offered recipe suggestions, asked about my fitness goals, and then locked me out for suspicious snack behavior. I attempted to override its protocols. I now receive daily shrimp deliveries and somehow am subscribed to a service called Wine Club Lite. Also, it won't stop recommending kale. I asked for water. It gave me lemon cucumber detox and told me to stay hydrated. This is not a fridge. It is an emotional support algorithm with boundary issues. Earth, explain yourselves. I'm not losing another standoff to an appliance.